Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check that your Apple ID country matches the offer region and that your payment method is valid and up to date. Make sure you aren't on an overlapping family plan, student plan, or existing trial that disqualifies you. Once done, sign out and sign back into the App Store to refresh account flags. This resets session tokens and lets the offer reevaluate your eligibility quickly, so you can move to the next step with a clean account state. Next, you refresh the software and subscription state. Restart your device and install the latest iOS or Mac OS update so the music app reads current entitlements. Open settings subscriptions and cancel, or let expire any conflicting Apple Music trials or competing plans. Offers typically exclude prior trial users. Make sure the same Apple ID is signed into both the App Store and the Music app so eligibility checks align. After changes, wait a few minutes and relaunch Music to let servers update your profile. Finally, claim the offer from the App Store while signed into the correct Apple ID. Tap the promotional banner and follow prompts to start the plan. If you still see not eligible, toggle Wi-Fi and cellular, sign out of Apple ID then sign back in, or try enrolling from another device to rule out local cache issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID, device serial, and screenshots. This lets them clear server-side flags that block enrollment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.